The Dow is now down 100 points. That's it. It had been down 550. It came back, and now it's down 118. The S&P's down 17. The Nasdaq's down 21. Interesting that that's happening in the middle of day 3 of epic fury, the war on Iran. Let's get more on this market coverage now. Jason Katz joins us. I think we're going to see a significant rebound. I mean, that's not just wishful thinking. I think that if this goes through successfully, we'll rally. What say you?
We're ripe for that. The market was so fragile heading into this weekend. So I'm not surprised that we had this safe haven trade first, ask questions later. We had the classic knee-jerk reaction, but as evidenced by what the president just said and how the markets are reacting, we are ripe for a rebound. This is going to boil down, Stu, to two things. One, the Strait of Hormuz, 20% of the world's oil. It's a choke point. If that stays closed in perpetuity or for a prolonged period of time, all bets are off. That is clearly not our base case. And the second factor here is the duration of this conflict. The president has been abundantly clear this is not to last more than 4 weeks. And I think that's an overpromise in a good way and an underdeliver in that I think this is a weak type of scenario.
He has said he's not counting out the use of ground forces, and he doesn't care about the polls. When he said that, the market dropped some more. Now it's coming back again. Is there any particular sector which will do well if there's a real surge and a comeback?
Well, we've seen such a profound sell-off in software and cybersecurity. I mean, think about cybersecurity, how important it is today post what's transpired over the weekend. So, look, we're going to get back to business in a week or two from now. It's going to boil down to interest rates, the fate of AI. Is it helping jobs? Is it hurting jobs? It's going to boil down to what we were focusing on the last few weeks. So geopolitical risks are headline risks. You know what we need to focus on? Bottom line risk, corporate earnings. And I think that's what the focus will pivot to in the not too distant future.
And you agree with me? You hopefully agree with me. We're going to get a rebound.
I believe we will. Will it be the epic surge you described? I'm not so sure, but I mean, the markets are feeling like we want a rebound here.
I am exaggerating just a tad. And look at oil, only $70 a barrel now, while 75. Okay, good stuff. Jason Katz, thanks for joining us. We appreciate it, always.